Okay, so we are still on chapter 9. So today we want to consider how to add and subtract two algebraic fractions. Okay, so it's very similar to how we did the usual fractions, like 1 over 9 plus 2 over 5, right? What you do is you bring to the common denominator, right? So you shouldn't simply add the numerators and the denominators. That's not good, right? What you do is, first we need to find the lowest common denominator, right? So you have two denominators, you try to find the lowest common. Okay, so the simplest expression that contains all original denominators as its factors. Each fraction is then written with this common denominator. So once we rewrite each expression with this common denominator form, right? If necessary, multiplying the numerators by some expressions, then only we can add the numerators. Okay, so if the denominators are the same, then only we can add numerators. So let me illustrate. So let's say that I want to add 3 over 4 by 1 over x, right? So I cannot simply do like this, right? So 3 over 4 plus 1 over x. So I cannot simply say, okay, 3 plus 1 is like 4. Here 4 plus x is 4 plus x, right? So no, that's big no, okay? So we shouldn't do it. What is the right way? Bring to the common denominator. Okay, so 3 over 4 plus 1 over x. So we see 4 here, we have x. So from the first one we have x missing, from second one 4 is missing. So what I mean is, here I need to multiply by x, right? Here I need to multiply by 4, right? So then let's see, here I get, so I multiply both numerator and denominator of the first one by x. So I get 3x and 4x. How about the second one? I multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. So I get 1 times 4 is 4. And here 4 times x is 4x. So now we see the same denominator. Here 4x, that's the 4x, right? So then I can put my denominator as this common one, and then I can add the numerators. So I get 3x plus 4. So that's appropriate way of adding two algebraic fractions. Okay, another one. So what is the common denominator? Look, I mean I shouldn't multiply here by x squared and then by x. That's not correct. That's not correct. I mean, it's still kind of fine, but that's not how it's done. So what we have is, what is x squared? Well, x squared is x times x. So which means to make the first one as x squared, all I have to do is just multiply this by x, right? Then this becomes like what? 3x divided by x squared. Well, how about the second one? I don't do anything, right? I already have x squared here. So I just multiply by 1 if I want to. Now we see that they have the common denominator, which is x squared. I can add the numerator. So it's 3x plus 4. Okay. Another expression, b over a minus 4 over b. So 5 over a minus 4 over b. So what do I have here? In the first one I have numerator a. In the second one I have denominator a. In the second one I have denominator b. So there is no sort of common factors. So which means, what would be the common denominator? It's a times b, right? So here I need to multiply by b. Here I need to multiply by a. What do I get then? Here I get 5b, and here ab minus, what do I have here if you multiply it? BA or AB. Here it's 4A. So what is the common denominator? It's AB. But now be careful. I'm not adding, this is subtraction. That's why it's going to be minus, right? So it's 5B minus 4A. That's how I leave it. I cannot simplify anything. There is no simplification. That's it. This is the simplest possible form. Okay, let's quickly do this. The similar way, I can multiply the first one by y, second one by x plus y, right? Because y is not common. If I had multiplication here, then they will be common, but it's not, right? It's addition, so there is no common term. So what do we have here? So it's 4y divided by x plus y times y, and minus, here it's 3 x plus y divided by y times x plus y. Well, so what is my common denominator? It's this x plus y times y. In the numerator I have 4y minus 3 x plus y. So sometimes this is okay. However, I can try to simplify my numerator a little further. How do we do it? Well, let me expand the brackets, right? So what is this? Minus 3x minus 3y. So now I see that I have this 4y and minus 3y. I can simplify them, right? So 4y minus 3y becomes just y minus 3x. Here I have x plus y multiplied by y. Okay. What next? So here my common denominator is x plus 3, x minus 1. So x, I need to multiply the first one x minus 1, second one by x plus 3. So what do we get? Here we get x plus 3, x minus 1, right? That's the common. So in the first expression, multiply, okay, let's write, so 2 x minus 1 and this plus, here this is 5 times x plus 3. Okay, let's try to simplify further. X plus 3, x minus 1 in my denominator. Here 2x minus 1 is what? If you expand, it's 2x minus 2. Here I get 5x plus 15, right? So now 2x plus 5x is 7x, minus 2 plus 15 is 13, right? So here I have x plus 3, x minus 1. Okay, last one. So 1 over x minus 4, 1 over x minus 4 square. Well, all I have to do is just multiply the first one by x minus 4, second one just 1. So then I have x minus 4 here. Here I have x minus 4 squared plus 1 x minus 4 squared. So the common denominator is x minus 4 squared. Here at the top I get x minus 4 plus 1. So x minus 4 plus 1, well, minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3, so this is x minus